Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sahana Deshpande, consultant obstetrician and gynecologist from Cloud9 Kanakpura Road. I today want to talk to you about anemia in pregnancy. Anemia is the most rampant problem in pregnancy in India because we are a developing country and most of them undertrodden or downtrodden people, they do not have adequate nutrition leading to hemoglobin being very low. But we also see anemia in affluent population, which we see in Cloud9. Why does that happen? You may be wondering. That is because we have various reasons. First thing is anemia could be physiological. That is, the blood gets a little thinned out and diluted during pregnancy, and because of which a hemoglobin which was otherwise around 12 or 13, because of the dilution, it will be shown as 11, 11.5 during pregnancy when we check it. Second thing which can happen is there can be a lot of blood loss to the lady every month, which can lead to anemia. And then she gets pregnant during that anemic state, which has not been corrected. That's why we always advise you to get a pre-pregnancy workup done to see whether you are anemic and having other problems like thyroid, sugar, and other things. Coming to the third one reason, major problem, lot of pani puris roadside and of course junk food that can lead to lot of roundworm infestations in our stomach. So whatever nutrition you take also will be taken up by the worms and it will not reach your blood. That's why you will lead having anemia in even after taking lot of iron rich supplements you will be continuing to have anemia. The other causes can be, of course, the complicated ones are thalassemia, hemoglobinopathies, which your doctor will look after. We suspect such things even when after giving iron for a long time, you are not able to correct it. What is the thing what you can do as a common person to avoid anemia? First thing, every 6 months, everybody needs a deworming that has to be done. In the first trimester, we don't prefer giving any anti-helminthics or worm tablets. So pre-pregnancy deworming is helpful. Secondly, having iron-rich food. As you all know, iron is high in most of the non-veg items like liver, red meat, and for vegetarians, we have moringa leaves, we have ragi, which is rich in iron, calcium, fibers. You can take dates daily, and of course, ABC juice, that is apple, beetroot, carrot juice. Along with that, you have to add some vitamin C in the juice for better absorption. That is, you can add a lemon or an orange. There are people who say we are taking a lot of iron supplements, still we do not improve hemoglobin. That can be due to bad absorptions. We have some anti-absorption things in our own food like phytates, tannins do not allow the absorption of iron. So we should not take such tannins and phytates along with iron-rich food like tea has tannins. We have some green leafy vegetables have phytates. So the absorption gets hampered. We need to know about it and ask your doctor for better advice.